What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisper, and we're back to business. A little something different. I'm not going to talk about stocks. I'm not going to talk about Algo. I'm going to talk about what I am a new believer slash bull, whatever you want to call it. But we're going to talk about Bitcoin, people. Bitcoin. So there's a lot of things going on. Some people are getting worried, panicking. But hey, are you a believer of Bitcoin going to 100K? If so, leave a comment below and say Bitcoin to 100K, because I'm a believer in that could happen according to the charts, and we're gonna get down to that in a minute. But if you're a believer that Bitcoin will eventually get to 100K, not putting a time limit on it, but let's say 100K by the end of the year, which should be done. That's enough time, I would say so. Especially if it's gonna be like the new gold and be a hedge against inflation, basically. So definitely loading up on Bitcoins, because anything under 50K, and I'm gonna keep loading it up till we hit 100K. Because actually, if you own $5,000 in Bitcoin, 0.1 of a Bitcoin, and that hits 100K, then you just made $500,000. So it's a risk worth taking. And the reason I'm more bullish on Bitcoin right now is because it's the safer play. It's the safer risk. I mean, less risk is safer. Like, some people are betting big on Cardano. Some people are betting big on the graph. And then I actually bet big on Algo. But all of those other altcoins and projects like Cardano, Graph, Ethereum, they have competition. They have competitors. They have things that could be a threat to their projects. Bitcoin doesn't have that in my eyes. Bitcoin, it's the king. It's the king. So I'm gonna go with the king until the king hits my price target, and then after that, we'll go transfer some wealth into Algo and stake it all up. But we're gonna make the big boy money on the safer play. So Bitcoin, what do you have for us? I'm gonna find out right now. Here we go. So this is today's candle. As you can see, is a big red candle, and it went down below the SMA. This is the problem right here. This second red candle. This was supposed to go up above the SMA line and continue on the bearish run. If we were to continue on the bearish run, what I wanted to see was this price target of 58,000, 58K. I've been happy with that. Right here was the last, my average share, average coin price. I keep saying average share price. This is not stocks. So I'm going to say average coin price. But my entry was at 52K, which not the greatest entry, as you can see. But I didn't also put thousands of dollars. I'm building up a position at different levels that I see fit. So yeah, I over here I put in about $600 in Bitcoin. Then over here I put in like another 40, and then I'm about to drop another 600 around this level. Anything under 50K I like. I'm gonna keep dropping money until I get that Bitcoin account up to like $6,000 or more. I'm trying, if it does go 100 grand, I want that 500,000. I don't want to be left behind. But so that's what I'm doing. But let's see what we got. Red dot. That's what we got. We got a red dot March 5th. And that's no bueno. We wanted this green dot, which was a really good green dot by the VWAP. But as you can see, we failed to crack over the SMA and go on a bullish run. So we're looking bearish right now. I still haven't gave up complete hope on it. I don't think it's going to crash right away. I think it just wants to give us a better price and then run up to 100K. But the warning is right here. This is why people are saying Bitcoin is a bull trap right here. Well, it's working out to be a bull trap soon. So March 1st, we got a red dot on the weekly. And the month, oh man, look at this. Look at that. See, this is why it will be. What I'm saying is going to be a bull trap. This is our last run up to 100K. Once we touch anything above our last high, we're going to pop the bubble. We're popping the bubble. We're going to have a major correction, and we're going to come down because look at this right here. At this point, we were oversold on the RSI on November 1st, guys, on the monthly chart. November 1st, we were already oversold, and we continue to be oversold and run up all the way up here. We're extremely oversold, guys. This has to correct. This has to come down. This is like a big bubble blown up here that is getting ready to pop by next month. But before it pops by next month, before we get that red dot, either next month or the month after, we're going to get it. We're not just going to stay in the green. We have to get a red dot. So we're going to go down, but this is our last breather. This is our last bull run up. And make sure you catch your profits. Make sure you catch your profits. Do not be caught in a downturn. Do not be caught in another correction. So get your profits when you feel you profited enough. Go ahead and tether that up and wait for better prices. But this is the warning I want to give out here. This is the potential bull trap. Look at this month chart. No red dot. I mean, look at the MACD, how far up we've ran up. We're already wide open. I mean, we have a little bit of room to go up to 100K, but once we touch anything above our all-time high, you better take some profits because this is going to pop. We can't go to the sky straight up. We got to take little pit stops. So, and we just got a red dot here. So I'm going to wait until we get another green dot on the daily for Bitcoin, because these small time frames haven't really been working. Like, you've been getting faked out left and right. You see that? Green dot, red dot, green dot, red dot, green dot, red dot. No, I don't want that choppiness. 2 hour. See, this is a lot cleaner. Red dot, no green dots, no mistakes, no fake outs. You want to find the time frame that is cleaner to you. But on this extreme choppy waters, I'm just waiting for the day chart, guys. But like I said, anything under 50K, I'm going to average down. I'm going to get the best low prices throughout this bear market. So when the bull market starts again, I don't got to do nothing. I built my position. I got my 5K in there. I got my 6K in there. Now let's run it up. So Bitcoin believer, guys. If you guys believe Bitcoin's going to go to 100K, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to keep updating you with this. If you want quicker information, join Chart Champion, guys. Best chat room you will ever join. You'll be surrounded by extremely smart traders, and you could ask any questions or pick their brains, basically. Or you can ask me anything. So join the group. That's all I got on Bitcoin. Green Dot Whisperer out.